Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Outlook app not working on Android. Without any further ado, let's get started. If you're experiencing issues with Outlook not responding or behaving unexpectedly on your Android device, don't worry. The solution is actually quite straightforward and involves clearing some temporary data that might be causing conflicts. Let me walk you through the entire process step by step. First, you'll want to open your phone settings by tapping on the gear icon. This icon is typically found either in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings panel. Once you tap it, you'll be taken to your device's main settings menu where you can control everything about your phone. From your settings menu, look for the option labeled Apps and tap on it. This section gives you complete control over all the applications installed on your device. When you tap on Apps, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of every app you've installed on your mobile phone, from system apps to the ones you've downloaded yourself. Now scroll through the list of apps and look for Microsoft Outlook. Depending on how many apps you have installed, you might need to scroll a bit to find it. Once you locate Outlook in the list, tap on it to open its settings page. This will direct you to Outlook's app overview page, where you can see details like storage usage, permissions, and other important app information. Under the app overview screen, look for the option labeled Storage and Cache and tap on it. This section is crucial because it manages all the temporary files and data that Outlook stores on your device. These files can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, which leads to the app malfunctioning or not working properly. Once you're in the storage and cache section, you'll see two important options: clear storage and clear cache. These two features work together to clean your Outlook app and essentially reset it to a fresh state. Start by tapping clear cache first. This removes temporary files that the app uses to load faster, but can sometimes cause issues. Then tap Clear Storage. This will remove all app data, including your login information, so you'll need to sign in again afterward, but it gives your Outlook app a completely fresh start. After running both of these features, exit out of your settings and open the Outlook app again. You'll need to sign in with your credentials once more, but the app should now work smoothly without any of the previous issues you were experiencing. And that's it. You've successfully fixed your Microsoft Outlook app by clearing its storage and cache. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.